I broke it. It's actually cracked from there all the way to the inside of the clip.
1-2 ドライブトヨタです。
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today, my friends, today's a special day. We're going to be doing a mod which, in my opinion, is going to be the most significant mod we do to the car. It's going to transform the whole car, make the car look completely different. No, we're not going to wrap the car, can't afford that. Today, my friends, we're going R32. So yeah, as I was saying, we're going to put an R32 rear bumper on the Mark 5 Golf, and you guys have got no idea how long I've been waiting to do this video. Like, mate, oh my god, it took me so long to save up. Like if you just look at the bumper, it looks so shit. Like, it looks shit, man, I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah, we have gone and bought ourselves an R32 bumper, and I must say I am so excited and so scared at the same time, because this is literally the biggest mod I've ever done in my life on a car. So far I've only been doing small mods such as hubcaps, hubcaps, wind deflectors and some eyelids, which you saw in the previous video. And yeah, let's do the unboxing, and after that we'll get you installed. So we've already gone and unboxed the bumper, because as you can see the box was absolutely massive. So yeah, onto the bumper. I mean, what can I say, it's absolutely amazing. It's an R32 rear bumper. I've always thought these looked so cool. As you can see, we've got the two cutouts for the exhaust. There are both reflectors that come included with the bumper, which is epic. And yeah, I should mention that this is a replica. It's not an OEM one, because yeah, OEM one will go for around £300. Yeah, I know that's a lot. So yeah, this actually did only cost me around £110. So I mean, if it fits, if you can manage to get it on without breaking anything, I'd say that's a steal. But I have heard some bad things on the internet about these like being a pain to put on, but I'm hoping it shouldn't be too hard. If you just pull this over, you can kind of have a look on how the inside looks. There you go. We got the two clips for where the reflectors come in, and if you go here, you can see the screw holes. I should say, I don't know why there's 4. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 on both sides is when we've only have been given 4 screws, but to be honest, I do know that only 2 of these we're going to be using. Anyways, yeah, it is what it is. I'm really excited to put this on. And one thing I should mention, which differs this from other OEM R32 bumpers, usually this bottom section, the diffuser, is actually removable from the whole bumper. From like this part, it's actually removable, but this one's like stuck onto this, so you can't be removing that. Anyways, let's get this installed. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And a few tools we're going to be needing: a drill. We've got this sort of adapter thing which would go inside there and kind of redirect the screw at around a 45-degree angle. We've got a set of Torx pieces, some double-sided tape, and I'm not completely sure if we're going to need this, but we have got some pliers and a relatively large screw. And yeah, you will see why later on in the video why we might be needing these. Anyways, let's go on with the video. Man, to start this video, I told you guys we only needed 3 tools. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, no, it's paint, 12, 13. Okay, so we're gonna make a start. I've literally been praying I don't break anything, because I have spent a lot of money on this and I am really scared if I break anything, and my dad's probably gonna kill me. Anyways, so what we're gonna need first is a drill and one of these adapters. And this is important, because if you don't want to take the wheel off, you might want to get yourself one of these, because that way if we put it in, you see there's actually 2 screws, one over there, one over there. This thing will basically allow us to, you see what I mean? Do it sideways without taking the wheel off. What you guys are gonna need is actually a T25. This is the correct, oh shit. This is the correct screw which will fit into the holes. So yeah, let's get these 2 screws off. And before we get started, I should probably tell you that those screws are pretty tight on there, so don't be worried if there's quite a bit of resistance. There you go. 1 screw off. Let's go on the second one. And mind you, you should probably wear gloves. I can't afford gloves at the moment, so we're just gonna use our bare hands.
I drop to my knees, scream out I believe, living as a lost fool that's no longer me.
Oh my god, it's so muddy here, man.
Drop to my knees, scream out I believe.
So big. So we've got a bit of an issue. There you go. You just pull out the fender liner, and then it comes out. There. You know what? I'm gonna have to go and buy some gloves. This is ridiculous. Yeah, on second thoughts, I can't be asked. So we've taken both screws off on both sides. What we're gonna do now is jack up the car. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that you are gonna need a jack. I mean, you know what? We'll try it without a jack, because what we're gonna have to do now is some screws underneath. We're gonna have to take all of those out. You know what? We'll try it without a jack. Alright, so oh shit. Alright, so as you can see, we've got a screw there, screw right over there, and then so on. So what we're gonna do now is I don't think we're gonna need a jack stand. We're gonna take all these screws off and we should be good to go. Oh bloody hell. Anyways, as you can see, we've got 1 screw out, and now we're just gonna go ahead and do the rest. Okay, so we've got a bit of a problem. Where is it? One of the screws underneath, it just does not want to come off. Yeah, that one. It's being super stubborn. So there's only one hopeful solution to this. We're gonna get some WD-40 and just drench it in WD-40. Okay, so oh wait, we'll do it this way. So we've got some WD-40, and now we are gonna, where is it? Spray that stubborn little thing over there. And you might as well do that screw over there as well. I'm guessing that's gonna be pretty stubborn as well. Ow! Shoot, I'm running out.
Tryna figure out which way to go, knowing that nobody paid the road. Before we grew, we thought we was grown. Gotta eat so we could feed my souls. Tryna figure out which way to go, growing that nobody paved the road. Before we grew, we thought we was grown. Gotta eat so we could feed my souls. Yeah.